Hi there, and thank you for partnering with Expedia Group. By now, you've been introduced to a number of our partner benefits. So let's get started with using Expedia Group Partner Central to manage your property. Go to expediapartnercentral.com, navigate to the login screen, enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. Partner Central will open to your dashboard, a handy snapshot of your property's account activity. Click the profile icon in the upper right corner to access your profile and other settings. In your profile, you can quickly change your account's email address, update your contact information, and choose your preferred language. Selecting the tasks you perform helps us send you relevant tips to enhance your Partner Central experience. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more updates and how-to video tutorials.